Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how I will transform this free Asian desk calendar into my 2021 planner. So first off, you got to cut that thing that holds the flap. So you got to cut it really straight, and it's easy because there's already an indentation in there. So just follow the lines. Here's a real close-up look. The struggle is real filming this one. And there you go, magic. Ah. And then once it's all settled down, I'm using these construction paper I bought years ago that I still haven't finished up. So I selected my favorite colors, kind of like a theme for each month. And this is just me sorting everything out, and I'll show you how I plan to kind of like fold them. I've been doing this for like, I don't know, like maybe 2 years or so, and I finally managed to have a system how I would like to go on with my DIY journal. So as you can see here, trying not to remove the flap or the extra paper because I'm gonna use that later for monthly and reflection and stuff. And just me kind of like easing, just folding the paper, and that way it would be easier for me to kind of like flip the stuff over. So as you can see, this is me just adjusting the paper, and then we'll just do it on the other side, and everything is basically on repeat from here. We do it for every page, and as you can see, this is all the stuff already folded, and that's basically it. Okay, so there's a lot of changes since the last video that I did, and I actually forgot to record the progress, but this is my 2021 journal now. I drew what looks like an ox to me. I don't know. But yeah, it says Year of the Ox, and then I have my goals here. Stay alive, investment. Okay, I fixed it. I put like labels, tabs and stickers to all the months on this side, and then I also tried to put, can't really show it to you, but like stuff to put like all my paperwork in here in the back, like flaps and stuff. Pretty much it. This is what my monthly calendar looks like, and then it's just blank back. Okay, so I'll show you February since it's not filled up yet, but this is what I do for a weekly kind of like reflection, or like what happened, kind of like recap of the week. And then I have like week 1, week 2, and it goes on and on. This one I'm trying to do or make this new concept of just me filling up like how much I work or days that I work, but it's not working out. So I just did another regular monthly thing until I figure it out. And like through the years of like journaling, I finally figured out the layout that I like when it comes to weekly, and I really like this format, like Monday to Friday, and then the weekends cut in the middle. And I usually write like daily stuff that happened or just simple things that I'm about to do. And this is another thing that I thought I would work out, but not really. So for March, I tried to do the clover leaf, but yeah, it's not working out. So I'll just do another monthly calendar on the side. I just want to know and see like days at work and what I'll be doing, like important stuff. And that's pretty much it. And it just repeats throughout the entire month. It's just different themes, So that's pretty much it. And then by the end of the year, I am again planning to paint this cover of what kind of like reflects 2021. And I'm gonna just bind it either using a ribbon or just this elastic that I bought in Amazon. And that's it. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let me know what's your 2021 plans, what your planner looks like. Yep. See you in the next video. Goodbye. And Happy New Year. And I hope you have a good one. Ciao for now. Bye.